Okay, so the screen of this smartphone is it's almost ripped apart. You can see still comes on. You can see the screen is it still lights up, so the phone works perfectly okay. But the screen, see the screen is falling off. It's almost apart. Okay, so um, what happened to the phone? This happened when I was using the phone for a video call, and that video call lasted over an hour. And then at some point during the call, I felt like the phone was falling off from the pouch. And so after that session, I decided to bring out to see why it was falling off from the pouch. But I saw that it was not actually the pouch that was falling off, but something like this. And actually, this is the first time this has happened to. I've seen this on my phone. So I got this screen glue. So I want to use this glue now to hold the screen together. So if for any reason you are faced with this, first thing is to open it a little bit and clean the edges. Okay, so the first thing I'll do here is to power off. Press and hold the power button for a moment, and then power off. And then now the phone is completely off. So I have something like this. I used to clean the side, the edges. Clean the edges and also carefully clean the edges round. So dust may have entered in around the edges. Clean the edges round where. Okay. Now this is where the front facing camera is. So in gluing, I won't like to glue this area, so I'm going to avoid this area in gluing. But I can clean the surface to make sure it's sparkling clean, to make sure that I'm not when I'm gumming, no dust is on the surface of the lens. You have to be careful so you don't damage the lens of the camera. Do a proper cleaning. Clean around the edges. Okay, so I haven't cleaned the edges. Now I'm going to apply this glue right at the tip, at the edges, round from beginning to the end without the camera area. I'll just avoid the where the camera lens is and apply round, and then drop the screen on it carefully. And with that, the screen that is will no longer be falling apart. Okay, so this comes like this, and to pull out this. Good. So you see, when you pull out this, you can see somehow the ink starts dropping. Okay, so okay, so I haven't applied the glue round. Gently drop the screen. Gently drop the screen and firmly apply a little pressure round and around the entire area. Apply firm around the entire area. Okay, with a white soft cotton cloth, apply gentle pressure around when you're doing that, you're also cleaning up any excess that might be protruding out at the side. And with that, it's okay. So you see, now the screen is no longer falling off, and that solves the screen problem. Okay, so next, I'll power on, press and hold the power button to turn on. Okay, it comes on, the screen is still okay. Okay. It is still booting up. Give it a moment. Okay, so see, it's on, and still good. Okay, so it's still working. All right. Okay, so this is a DIY video just to show you, if you can just buy this screen glue and carry out this little exercise yourself. All right, so thank you.